Lesson 2. We are to correct numbers to one decimal place. Correcting numbers to one decimal place. Example, if I have 3.278. Now, I want to correct this given number to one decimal place. It's a decimal place, so I will still work on this. That's the business I have here. Now, as you can see, this 8 here is more than half of a 10 of 10 is 8. So because it's even more than half of 10, I will term it 1. Now 1 plus 7 gives me 8. 8 here too will be termed 1 because is half or even more than half of 10. Now 1 plus 2 here will give me 3. Therefore, correcting this given number to one decimal place, I have 33.3. 33.3 whole number to the nearest whole number. Supposing I have 3.652. I'm asked to correct this number to the nearest whole number. This is what I'm going to focus on, but considering this one is 0. 0 plus 5 will give me 5. This one is 1 because it's half of a 10. So 1 plus 6 will give me 7. 7 here is 1 because it's even more than half of 10. So 1 plus 3 will give me 4. So this gives me 4. It means I've corrected this number to the nearest whole number. This is our whole number. Anything before decimal point is whole number. 5.62. Still on correcting to the nearest whole number. This of course is 0. 0 plus this will give me what? 6. And 6 here will be termed 1. So 1 plus this will give me 6. So we are going on we are on lesson 4 of this same topic, correcting numbers to the nearest 10. Supposing I have 327. This is 327. I'm to correct this figure to the nearest 10. Remember, this one is 300. This one is 20. This one is unit, 7 units. And you see, once it is half or more than half of 10, we term it what? 1. But in this case, we are to correct to the nearest 10. So instead of this one becoming 1, it's going to be 10. So 10 plus 20 here. The value of these two here is 20. 10 plus 20 will give me 30, which means this figure will be converted to 330. 330. 10 to the nearest 10. Now, I told you that's whole number, nearest 10. This one is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? But 2 here is 0. 0 plus 2 here is 2. Because this 2 is not up to half of 10, our answer is going to be 0. So, correcting 2.18 to the nearest 10 will give me 0. Lesson 5. Correcting to the nearest 100. Now, example, supposing I have 5, 3, 7. I'm to correct this figure 537 to the nearest 100. Remember, this one is 1 here. Okay, 1 plus this will give me 4. But 4 here, which is 40, is not, I'm to correct to the nearest 100. What is the half of 100 is 50. This figure here is not up to half of 100. And because of this, we are going to round it down to 0, which means 0 plus 500 is going to give us 500. The reason is that we are to correct to the nearest 100. And what we have here, 37, is not up to half of 100. And because of this, it will be rounded down to 0. So that 0 plus 500 here will give us 5. Under this same topic is correcting numbers to the nearest 1,000. Correcting numbers to the nearest 1,000. Supposing I have, example 1, I have 93,725. Now, what I will just do is this. I'm to correct to the nearest 1,000. This is 725. What I will ask myself, what is the half of 1,000? A half of 1,000 is 500. And here I have a figure 725. So which means I'm going to round this figure up to 1,000. So 1,000 plus 93,000.